Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off audio and video call permissions on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your device settings. This is where you control all the permissions and features for every app on your phone, including Messenger. Once you're in your settings, scroll down and look for the option that says Apps. Go ahead and tap on it to view all the applications installed on your device. Now you'll see a complete list of all your apps. Scroll through this list until you find Messenger and tap on it. This will take you to Messenger's specific app settings page where you can control various features and permissions that the app has access to. This is important because it gives you full control over what Messenger can and cannot do on your device. Once you're on the Messenger app page, look for the option labeled Permissions and tap on it. This section shows you all the different permissions that Messenger currently has or is requesting, such as access to your camera, microphone, contacts, and more. By managing these permissions, you can restrict what the app is allowed to use. In the Permissions menu, you'll see several options listed. First, tap on Camera. This permission allows Messenger to access your device's camera for video calls. Once you tap on it, you'll see different options for camera access. Click the radio button next to Don't Allow. This will completely disable Messenger's ability to use your camera, effectively preventing video calls from working. After disabling the camera, go back to the previous permissions menu. Now tap on Microphone. This permission controls whether Messenger can access your device's microphone for audio calls. Just like before, click the radio button next to Don't Allow. By doing this, you're blocking Messenger from using your microphone, which means audio calls won't function anymore. Once you've disabled the microphone, go back again to the permissions menu one more time. Now look for the option labeled Phone and tap on it. This permission allows Messenger to make and manage phone calls on your device. Click the radio button next to Don't Allow to turn this off as well. This ensures that Messenger cannot initiate or handle any phone call functionality. And that's it, you've successfully turned off all audio and video call permissions for Facebook Messenger. The app will no longer be able to access your camera, microphone, or phone features, effectively disabling all calling capabilities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.